This jollof spaghetti is quick, easy, delicious, affordable, and also flavorful. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef Bosse, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make this jollof spaghetti. Let's get right into it. These are all the ingredients you need. This is our pepper mix, our pepper, tatashe shombo, an onion, this is our tomato paste, our spice, that's our bay leaf, curry, thyme, ginger and garlic, our sliced onion, our butter, cooking oil, seasoning cube, and then our spaghetti. And these are all the ingredients you need. So on your pepper mix, we're going to add a little bit of ginger and garlic powder, and then we're going to mix this with our cooking oil, and then mix together. And after that, we're just going to pop it in the oven and roast it. After a while, this is what we have. It's all roasted, so we're just going to put it inside our blender and then blend it until it's smooth. So in our pot, we're going to add our butter to this, allow it to melt and come up a bit, that's it up a bit. Then we're going to add our onion. We're going to allow our onions to sit between 30 to 1 minute before we add our spices, which is our ginger and garlic, our bay leaf, our curry, and our thyme. And the reason why we're doing this is to infuse flavor into our oil, that's our butter. Then we're going to add our tomato paste, allow it to sit for a few minutes, between 1 to 2 minutes on a low heat. Then we're going to add our pepper mix. The pepper mix you're adding is based on the quantity of the spaghetti you want to cook. And mind you, for the fact that our pepper mix is already roasted, it is almost ready, that's fully cooked. Next step is to add our seasoning cube, and then we're going to mix. Then we're just going to cover this and allow it to sit between 3 to 4 minutes on a medium heat. After that, we're just going to mix, and at this stage our sauce is ready. And I always advise you to always make your sauce first before boiling your spaghetti. So we're just going to cover this and then set aside. Time for us to cook our spaghetti. So in a pot, we're going to add our water, allow it to bring to a boil. We're going to add our salt, curry, thyme, ginger and garlic, and then we're going to add our bay leaf. Then we're just going to cover it and allow it to start boiling before we add 1 cube of our seasoning cube. And then we're going to add our spaghetti to this. At this stage, I'm just trying to make sure my pasta is fully seated inside the pot. Then we're just going to cover this and allow it to boil between 5 to 7 minutes on a medium heat. And at this stage, our pasta is ready because it's all densy. This is what we have. So all I have to do is just to sieve it and add it inside my sauce. That I'm going to put it back on fire. Then time for me to start mixing until it is well and properly combined. So I'm going to add my pasta water Then I'm going to mix again, and then I'm going to cover this and allow it to sit on a low heat between 4 to 5 minutes on a low heat. And at this stage, this is what we have. Our pasta is ready. After mixing this, just take a look at this beautiful. Time for us to serve. So at the end of the day, I served this with the grilled fish. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.